Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction, opinion itong mga pahayag ni na Senator Coco Pimentel at Senator Hontiveros tungkol sa botohan na 18-5, natalo sila, ay binalik sa Kamara ang impeachment case ni VP Sara. Una, may napanood akong video, ano? Kawawa itong dalawa. Walang imik na nakaupo. Ito, panoorin natin.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Walang...
Oh my God.
Ulitin natin, ha?
Oh my God.
Ayan, silang dalawa yan, oh.
Oh my gosh.
Walang
Oh my
imik-imik.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Nakatingin kung saan, nakatingin.
Oh my God.
Basa tayo sa mga comments.
Oh my God.
Dali, ha? Cindy Escobar, literal na, what happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? Remanded, right? Return to sender. Tekay. In psychology, when you shake your legs, what does it mean? AC Elis Kinamos, leg shaking and thumb caressing one each other are signs of self-soothing mechanisms from discomfort of anxiety. Alishi, what happened, Coco? Why you tulala again? I know last mo na try, right? Martin will fade to you. Evelyn Hakutin, did their best? Didn't they? Oops, back to you. Basta, kawawa sila. Ito, may mga kanya-kanya silang pahayag, ano? Unahin natin si Senator Risa Hontiveros. Ito ang kanyang statement. Okay, post ng Inquirer. Ang obligasyon natin, i-try and decide. Sabi niya. Senator Risa Hontiveros voted against the motion of the impeachment court to send back VP Sara Duterte case to the House of Representatives, stressing that the Constitution provides no provision for remanding such cases. Ito yung exact word niya. Wala pong remand or return sa Constitution. Ang obligasyon natin, try and decide. Isa po itong kabalintunaan. Wow, malalim na Tagalog yun, ha? First time ko atang marinig, kabalintunaan? Ano bang ibig sabihin, kabalintunaan? Malalim. Okay. Comments. Bakilid Horaldo, move on. Duane Casia, sabi niya, the Senate has decided as a matter of constitutional duty. Isn't the rule that simply majority only requires 13? Isn't 18 more than 13? Then simply rest your case if you understand this basic truth. Aimee Tomakder. The Senate's decision to remand the impeachment complaint against VP Sara to the House of Congress effectively kills the case due to the one-year prohibition on refiling, rendering it a case of justice delayed is justice denied. Okay, so punta naman tayo kay Senator Pimentel. Ito naman ang kanyang statement. Post ng JME News. Senator Minority Leader Coco Pimentel noted that there is no concept of return to sender in impeachment proceedings after the majority of senators moved to remand the impeachment complaint back to the House on Tuesday evening. Ako'y nalulungkot, sabi niya. Oh, it's crying time right now for Coco Pimentel. I can see that faraway look in his eyes. I can tell by the way you speak in public that it won't be long before it's crying time. Nalulungkot eh. Sabi niya, ako'y nalulungkot. May saving grace na lang tayo na may pinadala na summons. He said, referring to the Senate acting as an impeachment court, issuing a summons to VP Sara, directing her to file her answers within 10 days. Kaya kahit may summon, ano pa ibinalik na nga ang kaso sa, ano pang sasagutin niya? Ibinalik na ang kaso. Wala talaga. Okay, comments. Nats Alarba, hindi ka namin ibinuto dito sa Mindanao, Mr. Pimentel. Coco Medina, just when you thought that the Senate houses intellectual and honorable men, bayan o sarili? Impeachment, by its very nature, will always be a political process. Tama. This has been evident in the cases of former President Estrada, Chief Justice Corona, and former Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. While it is often framed as a tool for accountability, history has shown the impeachment is deeply influenced by political alliances, public perception, and power struggles within the government. Tama. These past impeachment were not purely legal proceedings. They were also marked by political maneuverings, media campaigns, and behind-the-scenes negotiations. Because of this, many observers argue that if the goal is genuine accountability, then filing a case before appropriate legal bodies such as the Office of the Ombudsman or the Regional Trial Court may be a more objective and rule-based. Correct. Unlike impeachment, which is conducted by politicians in Congress, the Ombudsman and the regular court are bound by strict legal standards. Correcto. So, gusto nyong panagutin si VP Sara sa kanyang confidential pa, sa ano pa dyan? Pailan nyo ng kaso sa Ombudsman. Sa korte. Tapos. Impeachment. Huwag na kayong iiyak dahil talunan kayo. Tanggapin nyo na lang. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang channel natin na ito is tumutulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng mas disenteng bahay ang tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Natagaan na gid si Kimay Ogero. Iatop niya sa iyang balay. Nga silupin lang ang atop. Yan ang atop ni Kimay. Nga silupin lang. Makita gani nato nga nabtangan na og tubig. Sakit na ni siya. So nag-ulan na gyud sayo pagani. O karon naman na gyud si Kuya Kimay sa pag-atop. Og nindot na gid kaayo. Og karon unsa inyong maistorya nga humana ang inyong pag-atop sa inyong balay?
Salamat ko sa Ginoo kay nakauman na gid mig atop tanawa na nami atop sa among abuan. Salamat gid kaayo sa Ginoo og kuan magpasalamat pud ko sa naghatag aning sen kay nakauman na mis among balay. Salamat gid kaayo murat akong sulti.
Okay, salamat kaayo.
Salamat.